Hi guys, in the last video we talked about searching the product and the right factory on Alibaba, and also shared with you several tips on how to understand if you deal with a trading company or with a direct factory. In this video we'll talk about requesting the information about the product in the way that understandable for the Chinese managers. Before we start, please hit the like button because that's the only way for me to see if you are enjoying this content. If you are not yet subscribed to Anna Lee, and if you are interested in doing business with China and producing your branded product in China, hit the red button down below not to miss the next videos about China. If you watch this video up to the very end, you will know how to request the information about the product from the Chinese managers. Before sending the requesting letter to the Chinese partners, you need to know what you will tell about you and your company. You need to prepare a kind of short presentation about your company in general, what this company is, what kind of products you produce or sell, what kind of products you want to buy from that particular factory. The interesting fact that you need to remember about the Chinese factories that they don't have the price lists of the products. That is why you need to ask them to send you their product catalog of the factory to see those models which they produce for the market. After the study of the catalog, you need to choose those models which you like. I suggest you to fill up the form of request, which contains all the necessary characteristics and details of the models you like. I recommend you to choose as many models as possible to compare the prices, the characteristics, the details of their product from different manufacturers in the future. Let's see how this form of the request looks like. On the screen you see the form in which you need to write down their name or the number of the model, the price of which you want to know. All other points the manager will write down by himself. Their description of the products, the packaging information like size, weight, the quantity of the item in one package, minimum order quantity, the price, and the total price for the minimum order quantity. All this information in the form will help you to count the costs of delivery of one batch. The stage of filling out the form is very important because you can actually analyze how responsible the manager and how comfortable will be working with this or that particular factory in the future. The practice has shown that only 2 or 3 forms from 10 will be filled up during the first or second day by the Chinese managers. All other forms will be filled up during the next 3 or 5 days, and you need to be ready to remind of your request and to be patient because some managers have no all information about the product and they can miss the volume or the weight or other points in this form. To be sure that you communicate with the direct factory, ask the manager to tell you more about the factory. Ask them to send you the photos or videos. The videos show their the factory size, their equipment facilities, the cleanness of their factory. Ask them to send you some real photos or videos of the product or models which you've chosen from the catalog. It helps you to understand a bit more about the quality of the product and about the price which they give you for these models. Ask them about production capacity in a month and how long it takes to produce the minimum order quantity. Also, you can ask them with whom they already been working, and most of the manufacturers are really proud of this information and share it with most of their new clients. All these tips will help you to build constructive communication with Chinese managers and understand how responsible they are with their clients. You can download their form of request below and ask any questions in the comments. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video up to the very end, and I really hope that this information was very useful for you today. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to know more about business in China. I will see you very soon in my next videos on Anna Lee. Bye!